Once you have enough words added to your vocabulary, you can create a study set. A study set is a collection of words that you can study together. You can create a study set by tapping the Study Sets tab and then tapping the plus button. You can name your study set and give it a description, then press the Create Study Set button. Once created, you can add words to it by going to the study set details page and tapping the Edit Words button. There you will see a list of all words in that study sets. Right now, the study set is empty, so let's add some words to it by pressing the Add Words button. In this page, we can select the words we want to add to the study set. I'll check all the words I wish to learn and then tap Add Words. Now, in the study set details page, we can see all the words we added to the study set. Now that we have a study set with words, we can start studying it. We can tap the Start Studying button to start our learning journey. Here, we can choose a study method such as flashcard, multiple answers, complete sentence, etc. I'll select flashcard and tap Start. Now we will see questions with the word on one side and the definition on the other side. We can tap Know if we know the word, or Don't know if we don't know the word. We can tap the card to see the definition. This way, we will continue this session until we complete it. Once completed, we can see a summary of the session and the words we need to review. Each word may have different review date based on our ability to remember the word. It is a spaced repetition system, so the words we need to review will be shown to us more often, and the words we know well will be shown less often.